How to change default card on your Amazon Prime Video account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to Amazon Prime Video website. Now log into your account first. Once you are logged in, head over to the Accounts and Settings page. In this page, in order to change the default card, here at the bottom you can see the Manage Wallet option. Tap on it. If you have a saved card in your account, it'll show up over here. In that way, you can manage the wallet option. You can select one card and make it a default payment. But if you want to add a completely new card and make that a default card, you can see the Set Payment Method option over here. Tap on it. In this page, you can enter the details of your payment cards. You can enter the name of the card, your card number, the expiration date of the card, and if you want to make this particular card a default payment, you can tap on this checkbox which says Use as my default payment. Once you fill out all these details, you can tap on this Add your card option, and this card will be added to your account and it will be made a default payment. If you have multiple cards, you can always switch from one to another in order to make the default payments. So that's it. That's how you can change the default card on Amazon Prime Video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.